Hey guys, Aleroart here. I am doing another video on process drawing. Today's process drawing on my fan art is for ALLEYCAT is Reptar from the 90s cartoon Rugrats, and I found the character very silly. And with that being said, the picture that involves it is pretty much, he's just like a dinosaur type, Godzilla. And I just thought it would be a perfect fit for him to be in this ALLEYCAT fan art drawing. So it's a quick drawing I did in Clip Studio and just having fun with it. It's really basic stencil, as again mentioned before. ALLEYCAT, I'm just doing these profile drawings. Is follow on my Instagram. So guys, check it out and tell me what you guys think of this. Peace out, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Aleroart, as well as my patreon.com/Aleroart too. So peace, bye.